Hey everyone, this is Faiz Siddiqui from Home Life G1 Realty, and today I have the pleasure of introducing you to one of the hottest projects in Mississauga, Alba Condos by Eden Shaw. Alright, let's talk about the builder. Eden Shaw, the developer, is tried, tested and true, known for exceptional finishes, high caliber on-time construction and a quality product that will exceed your expectations. This beautiful project is located at 1 Fairview East in the heart of Mississauga. Only steps away from the future LRT that will have a stop for this very street called the Fairview. And what does that mean to you? As soon as you step out of the building, you're at the Fairview stop. Just a few key facts about this project. It'll be a 32-story high building with 400 plus units starting from 1 bedroom all the way up to 2 bedroom plus den. In terms of the size, they're starting from 450 square footage all the way to 850. Talking about the prices, it's starting from low 500s. Occupancy is tentatively 2025, and guess what? 9 feet ceiling throughout, and on the top level we'll have 10 feet ceiling. Alright, let's talk about a few key facts about this project. It will be a 32-story high building, and it will have 400 plus units starting from 1 bedroom to 2 plus den. In terms of the size, the square footage will be around 450 to 850 square footage. Right, and guess what? There'll be 9 feet ceiling throughout, and on the penthouse it'll be 10 feet ceiling. And on the bottom here we'll have all retail space and a couple of towns as well. Alright guys, I'm excited. The launch date for this project is on July 7th. If you're someone who wants to be part of this great project and wants to make some money, give me a call, 647-890-0025. This is Faiz Siddiqui logging out. See ya!